Social, and today I have rounded up my top 10 Amazon buys as of the last probably month. Some of these are some that I've had longer than that, but I usually like to do these with purchases from the last month. That way I can share these over and over with you guys. I am purchasing things from Amazon on repeat every day. So I have a lot of favorites. So I have to break these down sometimes in the top 10. So let's just jump into it. The first thing is I have a little bit of everything, by the way. I have some fashion, beauty, and home finds. So first things first, okay, this is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. So this is really good for if you have dry skin, which I've always had dry skin my whole life. And this is so nice. It's very creamy. Here it is. Look at that. Very nice and creamy. And this is a face cream. I'm just putting it on my hand just to show you, but it is such a nice face cream. You put this on after you wash your face and leave it on overnight, and you wake up with the most beautiful complexion. You will be glowing. You will have the most glowing, moisturized face. It'll look so nice. And it smells super fresh. It just feels so good when you put this on. I'm definitely going to use this tonight because I could use a little self-care this evening. So I'm going to do this. It's always nice to do a little self-care. I try to do that at least once a week where I put on like a face mask or something and treat myself. And I've been very behind on self-care lately, and I really need to get back into it. I have a little 8-month-old baby, and since I had him, it's been a little hard to do things for myself. So I'm going to try to get back into it. And starting with this beautiful overnight cream. It's very easy. This isn't like a sheet mask where it takes time, and you could just put this on, rub it in, and leave it on your face. See if you have things to do. It's like 2 seconds, but it is an overnight repair cream, so you can leave it on all night and then wake up with the most beautiful skin. Okay. Next up, I have the Redken, excuse me, I have the Redken Shine Flash. This is the glass-like shine spray. This stuff leaves your hair so shiny, so beautiful. All you do is just spray it. My hair is kind of crazy right now, but I'll just show you. Let me just show you guys. Okay, so I have some wild hair right now, but let me just show you. You can see the results. You just spray it, and then you'll see your hair just all of a sudden is so much shinier. You can tell the difference from this side with the shine from this side. It's so nice. It makes it, you know how when you watch movies or you watch celebrities, even on like reality TV, like all the Real Housewives, whenever there's a reunion, they always have like the most shiny hair. I didn't even know there was such a thing as shine spray. So I was actually looking up like how do celebrities get shiny hair, and then this came up, an ad for this. And I looked on Amazon, and voila, it was on there. I was super excited. And whenever I use this, I get so many compliments like, why is your hair so shiny? And it's not, it's just from this spray. It is so good. It's $24. This will last you a very long time if you're looking for that really shiny celebrity-like hair. Okay, next up, this is a Sol de Janeiro. This stuff is so good. It is a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, it's called, infused with all-purpose guarana extract. So it says that this helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin, which I have noticed on my stomach because I said I'm 8 months postpartum. When I use this on my stomach, I did notice when I used it for a week straight that it looked like my stomach was tighter. So I think it actually works, but I don't even love it just for that. I love it because it smells so good and it's so moisturizing. This stuff, oh my gosh. So I need a new one. I'm almost out. It just smells like a tropical vacation. When I smell this, it takes me away to an island somewhere on a hammock with no worries. Oh, that sounds nice right now. And it is just so amazing. It's a really nice, luxurious, thick, super thick and creamy. And you can use this all over your body. I like to keep this on my nightstand, and I use this at night. I use this on my hands too. I know it's supposed to just tighten your skin, so problem areas like your butt or your stomach or your thighs, but I honestly use this all over just because it feels so luxurious and it smells so amazing. The smell is just incredible. I wish that they had this in perfume. Maybe they do. I need to look into that because it is just the most beautiful smell, and I love this packaging. Isn't that cute? Just saying, it's super cute. Okay, speaking of smells, the Sol de Janeiro also came out with this perfume. So wait, is this isn't. I just said there's no way it's the same. No, it's a little different. Hold on. No, it's not. It's a little different. I was like, hold on. No, I've used almost all of this, and I've never noticed it smells exactly the same. It's a little different than this, but this is the same company. So yeah, it's a little different, but I always use these together. So maybe it's just the perfect scent, these two together. I never even thought about that. So yes, these are the same company, and I literally didn't realize that till just now. This is halfway gone. This is almost gone. These are two of my favorite products. So this company, Sol de Janeiro, is doing something right. I didn't even realize it was the same. I just always grab this. I really don't really notice the text on the front. I just noticed this like disco ball. I did not know it was the same company till just now. Isn't that funny? So I love this. It smells so good. I've had this for like a year and a half. I use it a lot, and I still have quite a bit left. So a little goes a long way. It smells so good. This one smells a little more vanilla, a little more like warm than the other one. And the other one's a little more beachy to me. So I just am obsessed with these, both of these. These are so good. If you want to buy someone a gift or yourself, get one of each. Get the perfume, get the Bum Bum Cream. These are so good. This company is amazing. Okay, next up, if you're looking for a lipstick, this one is so good. This is a matte lip. I'm wearing it right now, and it's called the Ink Velvet. So this is Ink Velvet 27 in the color nude, even though it's not actually nude. It has like a nice pink to it, but it just goes on like this with this little brush, and I already have some on, but it is so nice. So, you know, a lot of matte lipsticks, they leave your lips feeling super dry and cracked. So this one, it doesn't. It feels so good. I have moisture still in my lips. It lasts all day. I mean, I really reapply it all the time because I just feel like I like to apply lipstick. Like it's almost like a habit. But this, I guess the longest it's last was like a half day. Yeah, I don't think I went a whole day without reapplying. So I would say it lasts a long time. This is in the color 27. Oh, it's strawberry nude. That's why. So on the bottom it says strawberry nude. The side it just says nude. I'm like, this isn't nude. So strawberry nude makes sense. It smells good too. I just love this, guys. And this is $9.90. So I want to get a bunch more of these in different colors. I'm very, very impressed by this matte lip. It's good. And I haven't found a matte lip that I like. Like I said, they always dry out my lips, but this one doesn't. And isn't that pretty? Such a pretty color. Okay, next up, I have a bag. I told you I have a little bit of everything in my top 10. So this is such a pretty bag. It has this nice quilted pattern on the front. It's just the perfect size. It is a crossbody, but you also can go like this and use it as a shoulder bag. And you know, shoulder bags are really coming back in style right now. They have been for a while. So you can do a shoulder bag, or you can do, I always do crossbody just because it's easy. But you just take this and line it up with the square, and then it opens up, and you have quite a lot of space in here. I feel like I don't need a lot of stuff when I go out to dinner or date night or something. I just put in like a wallet, some lip gloss, maybe some mascara or something, and that's about it for me. So it's just the perfect size. This comes in a ton of colors. It's very like luxurious, but without the crazy price point. Isn't it so cute? So you could wear this day or night, dress it up or down. It comes in like black and white and a bunch of different colors, and I just love this. Is the khaki, and I think it's just so chic and beautiful. Really good. Okay, so next up I have a couple home finds. This one home find, this vase. This vase, I'm in love with this. Look at this. 29 bucks today on sale for 9% off. I just threw in some faux stems that I also grabbed on Amazon. These are linked on my storefront. I have a mix of olive branches. You can see the little fake olives. And these are eucalyptus, both fake. So sometimes I like to combine my greenery just to make it look even more realistic. But look at this vase. It has this beautiful rib detail. This also comes in terracotta color and also gray. So love this vase. I just think it looks so high-end. This looks like you went into like a beautiful high-end interior design store and spent like at least $100, $150 on this vase. But no, it is on sale for $29.99 on Amazon. So love that you can find beautiful home finds for really great deals. Guys, this is so good. Just buy it. You will not regret it. Add it to your cart and you'll thank me later. It is just so beautiful. I just love it. Everywhere I put this in the house, it just looks so good. Okay, I have a few fashion finds as well in my top 10 purchases. These I've actually owned for months, like actually years maybe. Did I get these like a year ago? I got these a year ago. I've always been looking for really nice silk pajamas. The thing is with silk, it's so delicate that sometimes it gets ruined in the washer and dryer. It's very expensive. So I looked for satin silk. So it's not 100% silk, it's satin silk. And I found these. These are by this brand called like Swomog, I think is how you say it. So I got this green color around the holidays. So it was like a year ago. And I love this green. It is so pretty. It's like an emerald green. It has a little white lining on the bottom. And I sized up to a large. I usually wear a medium in most everything, but I sized up, and I love to size up in pajamas. So I would recommend sizing up. They're on sale for 20% off, guys. $23. So grab it while it's on sale. This is only going to last today. These pajamas, look, it's so soft, so luxurious. Everyone deserves a pair of satin silk pajamas or full silk. But I like the satin silk because these last longer, in my opinion, because they're not as like dainty, and then they work better in the washer and dryer. So I have these in probably like 10 colors. I kid you not. I live in satin silk pajamas. It just makes me feel pampered and luxurious, and I wear these sometimes all day in the house. If I'm having a day where I'm just home, I'll just wear these, put on some fluffy slippers, and I feel so high-end in my own home. I'm telling you, everyone deserves this. So grab some for you and the whole family. Okay, next up, I have a dress. It's just like a must-have dress for spring, for summer. You can wear this in the fall too with a jacket over it, not winter, but like fall with a leather jacket or a jean jacket. Look how cute. So cute. This is a wrap dress. My waist is not this tiny. I just have it tied like this in the back, and it's flowy and it's long enough. I'm 5'8", and it's adjustable on the bust. So it wraps around and you can adjust. It's so cute. I love this red color, but this comes in a bunch of different colors. I have linked in the thumbnail the blue, which I think blue is so pretty for summer too. Reminds me of the beach, but I just thought this red is really fun. I have styled this a bunch of different ways on my Amazon storefront if you want to check it out. It's just one of my top favorite dresses. It's very flattering, and my weight has been fluctuating a lot since I had a baby, and it still fits good because you can adjust it, which I love, with the tie on the back. So I've purchased this like probably 3 times now. This is my most recent one. The tag is still on it, but you can see on my Amazon storefront, I've had this dress in multiple colors for like 3 or 4 years now, and I've been loving it from day one. So one of my favorites. You guys, this was like a really very quick Amazon live, but I wanted just to jump on here and share my top 10 favorite purchases as of recently. Some of these have been favorites for like years, some are just my most recent favorites, but I love to just jump on, do a quick top 10. And guys, I'm going to be live again later today, and I'm sharing all home decor, luxury home decor for less. That's going to be around either 5 or 5:30. If you want to give me a follow my storefront, you'll get a notification the next time I go live. Also follow me on Instagram, The Scarlet Social Amazon, and I always like to announce before I go live on there too. So thank you guys. This was really fun. I'll see you guys tonight either around 5 or 5:30. All right, bye. Have a good day.